this.
Welcome to Learning Link.
Welcome to Learning Link.
Okay.
Am I ready to boo?
Mm-hmm.
Boo!
What are we doing today, Soph?
We're doing decorating Barbie, and we're gonna get this box to decorate it because it's not that decorated. Okay? This is a box that was in the house. So,
All right, so let me see the box.
okay. You hold the box and I'm gonna cut.
Well, hold on. Before we cut, let's figure out what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Okay, do you want the door to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the door here.
Yeah. Square.
Or what we could do is tape this all shut and cut a door out here.
Okay.
Do you want to do that?
Okay.
Okay, so first let's tape this shut.
Be careful with scissors. You need a grown-ups for help. Scissors.
Sophie's really good at scissors and she's usually really, really safe.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really hard. Okay, so where should we do it at? You want the door here?
No, I want it on this black line.
Well, this is gonna open it up. So we gotta do it either this or this.
This. Like,
This side? Okay.
oh, see this? I can poke.
Mm-hmm.
Hold
Let mommy do it though, okay?
It's gonna be hard.
How big do you want your door?
I just want it like down and then
Do you want it for your little Barbies or your big Barbies?
big one.
So we probably need it a little bigger.
Big. Okay, it's loud. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. It's loud, Mommy. Oh
Okay. Do you want to keep this part? We're gonna have to take that down. Do you want to keep this part so it goes open and closed?
no. I want to
To keep it? Okay. Let's tape this part down. Can you get me some more tape?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna get this down to the lower. And then you hold it so it doesn't curl up.
Okay.
Oh, did it. Down, 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 down. My queen teeth. Oh, mum. I did this. Oh, that's...
So here's how far we've come. This is the upstairs and the roof. And then she's gonna decorate the white. There's 2 windows and a door. And she put some string up here.
Yeah.
So that's how far we've come.
This.
Welcome to Learning Link.
Boo!
This is our dollhouse.
Boo!
What do you think of it so far, Soph?
Good.
Yeah, look at our fancy 4-post bed that the Barbies have.
Yeah. We need more beds. We need more beds. We need more beds. Because they have lots of Barbies. Oh!
Dancing Barbie is hidden somewhere in our video. Can you find it for us?